Good morning, students. Before we begin with the first chapter of history, here is the portion for the first unit test. You can refer to the slide whenever required. And now we shall begin with history first chapter, that is sources of history. Children, do you know the meaning of sources? It means which contains information about the past events. In the previous classes, you all have studied about the sources of ancient and medieval history. This year, we are going to study sources of modern Indian history. These sources include material, oral, and written. It also includes audio, video, and audiovisual sources. So, first we shall study material sources in detail. Material sources include various objects, monuments, places, coins, and sculptures. Monuments means memorial, for example, Taj Mahal, and sculptures means art of carving on wood or stone. Now we shall study about buildings and places as they are also included in the material sources of history. The period of modern history is believed as period of Europeans, especially the British rulers and governance of princely states. It was during that period the Britishers and the kings of the princely states were ruling in our country. During this period, many buildings, bridges, roads, water supply systems, and fountains were built. Buildings included government offices, residence of officers, forts, prisons, etc. Among these buildings, some were declared as a national monument and some were converted into museum. For example, Cellular Jail in Andaman. It is also known as Kalapani. This jail also reminds us about the revolutionary work of V.D. Savarkar. When we visit Mani Bhavan in Mumbai or Sevagram Ashram at Wardha, that is in Nagpur, we come to know about the Gandhian era. It is a village where Gandhiji first started spinning wheel, that is known as charkha. Students, do you know about Aga Khan Palace, which gives information about the life of Mahatma Gandhi? This palace was built by Sultan Muhammad Azhar Khan. Now we shall study about statues and memorials. As it was a pre-independence and post-independence period, memorials of many personalities were erected in the form of statues. These statues gave contemporary information about the rulers. There is a display plate below the statue which gives us information about the concerned person, his full name, birth and death details. It also gives information about his contribution and a biographical sketch of a person. Biographical means a brief account of a person. Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, Lokmanya Tilak and many other statues were erected in the memory of various events. For example, Hutatma Smarak was constructed at various places. It is a memorial of martyrs, means a person who is killed because of religious or political beliefs and is respected by the people. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next class. Please read the chapter.